Dear children, look at this, everyone's favorite yummy treat, the pizza. Doesn't it look like a colorful, cheesy circle of happiness? Making it is so much fun. A soft, crusty base is topped with tangy red sauce and lots of gooey, melting cheese. Then, we add colorful peppers and golden corn to make it look like a beautiful rainbow. The taste is absolutely amazing. You'll love the stretch of the warm cheese and the crunch of the crust. It's so savory and delicious. You'll want to grab a slice the moment you see it. Enjoy every cheesy bite. Dear children, look at this picture. It's everyone's favorite, the burger. Doesn't it look beautiful, just like a little food tower? Making it is so much fun. A delicious cooked patty is tucked between two soft round buns. Then comes a slice of cheese, red tomatoes, and fresh green lettuce. Layered together, they create this yummy burger. The taste is absolutely delicious and savory. You'll love the mix of the soft bun and the crunchy salad. It's so tasty. You'll want to dive in the moment you see it. You're going to love every bite. Hey kids, check out these super sleek golden brown and extra crispy spring rolls. Don't they look like crunchy little treasure logs waiting to be discovered? Every roll has a colorful surprise hidden inside. Take a big bite and you'll find a delicious mix of stir-fried veggies, soft noodles, and just the right touch of peppery zing. Dip it into some spicy Szechuan sauce or sweet chili dip, and boom, it's a flavor party in your mouth. Dear children, look at these. Everyone's favorite fun snack, the noodles. Don't they look like long, wiggly magic strings in your bowl? Cooking them is so much fun. These soft, slurpy noodles are tossed with colorful veggies like crunchy carrots and green peas. With a splash of yummy sauce, they become the tastiest treat ever. The taste is absolutely wonderful. You'll love slurping up every long noodle and tasting the savory flavors. It's so delicious and fun to eat. You'll want to finish the whole bowl in a flash. Enjoy every slurpy bite. Hey kids, look at these bright, crunchy, and loaded tacos. Don't they look like little golden treasure chests of flavor? Inside every crispy shell is a tasty surprise. You'll find juicy fillings, fresh veggies, and a mountain of melty cheese. Add a squeeze of lime and some tangy salsa for the perfect bite. Listen to that crunch. Hi, it's a fiesta of savory flavors that'll make you want another one instantly. So, grab a taco and dive into this crunchy Mexican delight. Hey kids, check these out. Sizzling, juicy hot dogs tucked into soft toasted buns. Don't they look like the perfect handheld treat? Inside every bun is a smoky, grilled sausage just waiting for your favorite toppings. Whether you like tangy mustard or sweet ketchup, it's a flavor explosion in every single bite. Feel that satisfying snap as you take a mouthful of savory goodness. It's warm, delicious, and guaranteed to make you want another one instantly. So, go ahead, grab a hot dog and dive into this classic delight. Hey kids, look at this, a super stacked golden toasted sandwich. Doesn't it look like a delicious tower of cheesy goodness? Inside these crunchy bread slices lies a tasty secret. One bite and you'll find fresh veggies, creamy spreads, and melting cheese that just stretches on and on. It's the perfect mix of soft, crunchy, and savory flavors. So go ahead, grab this yummy treat, hear that satisfying crunch, and dive into the ultimate sandwich. Hey kids, look at these golden, glowing, and super crispy French fries. Don't they look like little salty sticks of pure magic? Snap one open to find that fluffy, warm potato inside. Now dip it deep into some tangy ketchup for the perfect yummy combo. Listen to that crunch. It's a salty explosion that will make you want to grab a whole handful instantly. So go ahead, dive into these crispy delights and enjoy the ultimate snack. Hey kids, look at this! Silky golden pasta swirling in a sea of creamy velvety sauce. Doesn't it look like a bowl full of wiggly, delicious fun? Every bite is a tasty surprise. Each piece is loaded with melty cheese and the magic of fresh herbs. Whether it's a twist or a tube, it's perfectly chewy and oh so flavorful. So grab your fork, give it a big twirl, and dive into this warm, cheesy delight. It's the ultimate treat that'll leave you craving more. Simply delicioso. Dear children, take a look at these golden, thin, and extra crispy potato chips. Don't they look like tiny, crunchy sunbeams ready to snap? Every single chip is dusted with a secret blend of salty, tangy magic. Whether it's classic salted or spicy masala, one bite is never enough. Just listen to that mega crunch. It's like a tiny firework of flavor exploding in your mouth. They're light, they're crackly, and they are the ultimate snack time superstars. So grab a handful, feel that satisfying snap, and let the Crunch Fest begin.